Hello everyone. So during the quarantine period, the first book I have completed this You Can Sell by Mr. Shiv Khera. So I have borrowed this book from one of my cousin, and trust me guys, it is fully worth it. स्कूल के टाइम पे मैंने मिस्टर शिव खेरा की एक बुक पढ़ी थी, यू कैन विन, इन गुजराती दैट इज़ जीत तम्हारी. वो बुक बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायरिंग थी, स्पेशली फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. इवन एवरी वन कैन रीड फ्रॉम एवरी फील्ड, बट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, क्योंकि मैंने वो मेरे स्कूल टाइम पे पढ़ी थी, सो इट वाज वेरी हेल्पफुल टू मी. एंड जैसे ही मैंने ये बुक देखी अगेन बाय मिस्टर शिव खेरा, सो आई थिंक आई मस्ट रीड इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फ्रॉम द नेम ऑफ द बुक आपको लगेगा कि ये शायद सेल्स पर्सन के लिए या बिजनेसमैन के लिए है, बिकॉज यू कैन सेल करना. बट let's hear the motive, the purpose, and who can read this book from Mr. Shiv Khera himself.
When I wrote my book, You Can Sell, the press was there. And they asked me that it appears that this book is for salespeople. For the title, that's what it appears. So I turned back the question to them and I asked, tell me who's not selling. In there, I have given a definition of a salesperson by Robert Louis Stevenson. He defined a salesperson as anyone who sells a product, service, or an idea is a salesperson. A candidate at a job interview, what's he doing? A boy, girl proposing to get married, what are they doing? A lawyer arguing in front of the judge for the client, what's he doing? A politician giving speeches to get votes, what is he doing? He's selling. And folks, success depends on our ability to sell. Who is not selling? We are always selling either for or against ourselves. It is not neutral.
So now it is clear that every person from each and every field can read this book by Mr. Shiv Khera, that is You Can Sell. Now the main title line of the book itself is results are rewarded, efforts are not. क्योंकि हमारा जो कंट्री है, जो देश है, वो रिज़ल्ट ओरिएंटेड है. पब्लिक को, लोगों को रिज़ल्ट चाहिए. आप चाहे कितनी भी मेहनत करें, अगर उस मेहनत का आपको पॉजिटिव रिज़ल्ट नहीं मिलता, इट इज़ नॉट वर्दी, right? And Mr. Shiv Khera has very well written and covered each and every aspect of life through selling. Of course, we all are selling ourselves. As a student, we are selling our skills, our smartness, our intelligence. As a businessman, you are selling your product or anything that you produce or you manufacture. As a professional, you are selling your skills, your quality of your profession in specified area to your clients. So everyone is selling here. At the very beginning pages of this book, Mr. Shiv Khera has explained that selling is more of inner game than the outer game. सेलिंग मतलब सेल करना, कुछ चीज़ बेचना, ये सबसे पहले अपने माइंड में हमें क्राइटेरिया डिसाइड करना होता है. सेलर हैज़ टू बिलीव इन हिज और हर प्रोडक्ट फर्स्ट, देन ओनली ही कैन सेल, राइट? आपको आपकी क्वालिटी पे, आपकी प्रोडक्ट पे खुद से भरोसा होना चाहिए. अगर आप खुद कन्विंस नहीं हो उस बात से, सो आप वो चीज़ सेल नहीं कर सकते. अगर वो बिलीव नहीं करता, देन हाउ ही कैन अर्ज अदर्स टू यूज़ दैट प्रोडक्ट. Similarly, it gives message to everyone that if you want to succeed in any field, any line, any area, first you have to believe in yourself, and then you have to put efforts to achieve, to reach at your destination point. Let me read out the chapter's name that Mr. Shiv Khera has contained, so that you can have an idea कि each and every aspect of life relating to sell ourselves to convince others is covered in this book. First is a chosen profession. Second, who is not selling? Third, pride in the profession of selling. Then, attitude determines success. Formula for success. Qualities of a winning professional. In this chapter, Mr. Shiv Khera has explained that some of the good qualities are, that is, positive attitude, discipline, pleasing personality, convincing power. There are many more, but these are the attitudes that I liked personally, which everyone needs to develop in the personality. Very next chapter is pleasing personality. Then transactional versus relationship selling. In that chapter, Mr. Shiv Khera has suggested that we have to maintain long-lasting relationship with our clients. What buyers need and want. Firstly, we have to think on it as a buyer's perspective, not as a seller's perspective. Buyers क्या चाहते हैं, जो वो प्रोडक्ट को अल्टीमेटली यूज़ करने वाले हैं, उनकी ख्वाहिश क्या है, वो उस प्रोडक्ट में क्या चाहते हैं, दैट इज़ द मेन कोर ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. Then quality and credibility, selling process, rules for letter writing. Questions are the answers. Listening is caring. Uncovering the need, features and benefits, negotiation, objection handling, closing, why salespeople fail. He has also explained why some of the salesperson, that means some of the persons, why fail in their life in reaching the destination. Then goal setting, managing time and ethics. Another thing I want to mention in this book, that Mr. Shiv Khera has very smartly written the title of the chapter and given a cardinal rule, that is the core of this chapter or the topic, and so that from the reading of its name itself we have an idea what this chapter is going to tell us, what it's going to teach us. Attitude determines success. In that, cardinal rule is learning to sell is like learning to swim. They are both learned by doing, not just by reading book. आपको जो करना है उसके बारे में पढ़ के समझ के आपको वो इम्प्लीमेंट करना पड़ेगा. जस्ट बाय रीडिंग बुक्स यू कैन नॉट गेट सक्सेस. A person does not become professional doctor by just having a desire to one. He must gain competence, education and training at a medical school to become proficient. Similarly, a good sales professional must learn the art of applying the principles of selling scientifically and with proficiency. Another nice lines which I personally like from this book is transactional versus relationship selling. One should always take a foresight view like a Japanese. To them, long-term relationships are more important than the transactional. We have to achieve long-term relationship so that we can earn income even while we are sleeping. So that is the transactional rule. Then selling process. After you have negotiated a win-win transaction, give the other party something extra, because people love pleasant surprises. Even if you are dealing with your client, give them something extra. आप फीस तो चार्ज करते ही हो, no matter, बट उन्हें कुछ एडिशनल दीजिए जो कि उनके लिए वैल्यू एडिशन बने, तो वो आपके साथ ज़्यादा लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए जुड़े रहेंगे. The greatest product needs a good salesperson, but an ordinary product needs a salesperson with good skill and great will. अगर अच्छी प्रोडक्ट है तो वो बिकेगी ही, लेकिन अगर आपकी प्रोडक्ट, आपका स्किल थोड़ा एवरेज है तो आपको प्रेजेंट उस तरीके से करना होगा कि वो बिके और उस पर भरोसा आए लोगों को. नेक्स्ट आई वुड लाइक इज़ I would rather explain my higher prices once again than apologize for the poor quality forever. फॉर एनी बिजनेसमैन दिस इज़ द मस्ट रूल। आप चाहे थोड़ी महंगी प्रोडक्ट बेचें, अपनी स्किल, अपनी प्रोफेशंसी, अपनी एक्सपर्टनेस का थोड़ा हायर चार्ज करें, बट डोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ विद द क्वालिटी। क्वांटिटी कम करें, क्वालिटी एकदम बढ़िया रखें। सो इसीलिए मिस्टर शिव खेरा कहते हैं, आई वुड लाइक टू रादर एक्सप्लेन अगेन एंड अगेन द रीज़न ऑफ माई हायर प्राइजेज देन टू अपोलोजाइज फॉर द पुअर क्वालिटी। In the chapter closing, he has very well mentioned, if you haven't made a sale, don't close the doors permanently. Always make effort to keep the doors open, because with time things do change. एज ए स्टूडेंट आपने CA के अटैम्प्ट दिए, किसी और एग्ज़ाम्स के अटैम्प्ट दिए, और अगर आप एक बार 2 बार उसको क्लियर नहीं कर पाए, दैट्स ओके, गिव अनदर चांस टू योर सेल्फ। बिकॉज कि अगर आज नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ, आपकी मेहनत जारी है, आपकी लगन जारी है, और वन डे यू विल डेफिनेटली रीच टू योर गोल। Winners are not afraid of losing. Losers are afraid of winning. So you have to decide whether you want to win or you want to lose, whether you want to become a winner or a loser. This book in overall contain around 285 pages, but believe me guys, Mr. Shiv Khera has covered just a little aspects, the little things that we have to keep in our mind while doing anything, while reaching to any destination. Because if you want to clear CA exams, then unless and until you become a chartered accountant, no one believes in your work, in your hard work, in your dedication. If you want, your target is to lose weight, then you have to prove it. आपको वेट लूज़ करके बताना होगा, तभी लोग आपकी बातों को मानेंगे। अगर आपने कुछ सेल्स को क्रॉस किया, टारगेट को क्रॉस किया, देन ओनली यू विल गेट बोनस। सो ये जो सोसाइटी है, दैट इज़ रिज़ल्ट ओरिएंटेड एंड नॉट अफोर्ड ओरिएंटेड। सो आपको रिज़ल्ट देना है, एंड रिज़ल्ट देना मीन्स हैव टू सेल. So you can sell by Mr. Shiv Khera. Each and every person can read this book, and it will definitely going to help you a lot in your every future aspect, either in your business, in your profession, as a student, even as a housewife. How you can convince your family members. That's the crush of this book. And if you really like it, please like, share and subscribe this, so that others can have review about this book और वो भी पढ़ने के लिए इंस्पायर हो. All the very best guys. See you. Bye bye.